Hi, and welcome to Colorado Ski Chairs. This is your Frontier assembly video. Now that you have everything out of the box, you're going to start by putting your base like this and attaching your back legs. These inside holes are for the screws. That's going to go on the inside. Put your bolts in, align it in, start them by hand, and then use a drill to tighten them. Just snug it first, and repeat that process on the other side. Now that your back legs are on, you're going to turn it over and do your front legs. You're going to do your front leg next. This part with the 3 holes on it is for your cup holder that goes on the right hand side. Again, you want to put these smaller holes on the inside. Start your bolts by hand. Repeat the other process on the other side. So now you're going to flip it over and you're going to use your 2.5-inch screws with your T25 bit that we provided to go on the inside of these legs to give them support. So repeat that process on all 4 legs. There's 3 on the front and 4 on the back per leg. Now that you've done that, flip it back over and tighten your bolts just a little bit more. Now you're going to put your back on. If it's a snowboard back, you might have to mess with it a little bit to get it back there. As soon as it's lined up, you're going to use your 3-inch screws, 2 on each side of the lower back strap. We've already set the depth, don't go further than you need to. Next, we're going to do your cup holder. You're going to use 3-inch screws as well. Place this on your seat for now, and you're going to line these screws up. And what I mean by that is you just want to start them until they're just poking out on the other side so you can line up the holes on the cup holder with the screws. You should be able to hand twist them in just like this, no problem. Once you get all 3 nicely started, you're going to line up your cup holder. Might help a little bit, make it faster if you use a drill. You want them just sticking out enough that you can line up these holes with those screws. So line them up. Again, don't make the screws tighter or deeper than you need to. We already set the depth. Next, we're going to do your arms. Kind of the same thing with a cup holder. You kind of want to pre-start these a little bit so you can line up the holes that we already have for the arms, and you're not creating new holes. So you want to make sure those are just started a little bit. Line up your arms with the holes that we have already placed, and use your drill to tighten them. Start with the back, then move to the next one up, and then the furthest one up. You're going to repeat the process on the other side. Line up these screw holes. Use your drill to make them tight. And now you've assembled your snowboard or ski chair.